What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, we're going to talk about Shiba Inu and the overall cryptocurrency market conditions. First and foremost, I want to mention this specifically, that Senator Ted Cruz, he is the senator of the state of Texas, and he's working diligently and doing his best effort to help repel the infrastructure bill's devastating attack, as quoted here, on emerging cryptocurrency industry. So as you guys know, the infrastructure bill has been signed by Joe Biden, but in addition, the big issues that we're facing right now is this increased tax hike on cryptocurrency gains that you and I have probably been making throughout the last year, 2 years, or for however long you've been trading. So again, what this has created is an insane amount of selling pressure in the overall cryptocurrency market. As you guys can see, over the last only week or so, we've lost over $300 billion from the crypto market, stripped out because people are taking profits, people are in fear, people are panicking. And they have the right to be panicking, but at the same time, is there going to be an end to this? For SHIB specifically, we can kind of determine based off of technical analysis whether or not it's a good buying opportunity, or maybe it's a good idea to just continue waiting to see where this bottoms out. Now remember, folks, I am not a financial advisor by any means, but rather I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And of course, Shiba Inu is one of those. Now, before we dive into the Shiba Inu price action and the technical specifically, I do want to mention the link in the description below for Webull. So if you want to get $5 worth of free Shiba Inu and 2 free stocks when you deposit 1 cent into your Webull brokerage account, $2,300 could be yours when you deposit money into Webull. So check out that link in the description. Now let's dive into SHIB. So currently sitting at 4,200 or 42,740 Satoshi units. We're still significantly up where we were before this insane bull run, which happened pretty much toward the end of October. Now, over the last day or so, we continue to see the market bleeding. And if you even look at the 7-day chart, we have broken through a lot of different support lines. And now the next thing we need to look at is 3848, the 3,800 or 38,000 Satoshi unit support line. If we break below that, if you look at the technical analysis, and again, I use FX Street for the majority of mine, they talk about the Fibonacci retracement. So again, all that is basically saying, it's fancy to say, if we fall below a certain support line, we can continue to see a lot of people who are in SHIB that are more technical traders sell out of their positions, because now we're entering what we call bearish trends. So for those of you who are, just again, who have subscribers to the channel, I want to always make sure everybody's informed to my best ability. Now, there's two things that could happen. We can have positive sentiments. Ted Cruz ends up successfully helping repel this bill. And if that ends up happening, then we have nothing to really worry about. But until then, we need to make sure we are prepared for the worst. And that meaning maybe falling below that 3,800 or 38,000 Satoshi mark, which can then, get us to that falling knife type technical pattern. Is that truly going to be the case? In my opinion, probably not. There has to be a solution to what is happening. So for me, there's two things that you can do. Either hold, wait to see where this bottom is going to be, or dollar cost average in, because we don't know. Nobody can ever know where the bottom of any price action will be. It's almost impossible. You can do your best to, but based off of technicals, we're looking at a 3,800 Satoshi unit mark. So now, for each and every one of you guys that are trying to get into SHIB and haven't yet, waiting for a good price point, dollar cost averaging might be your best one, right? Not financial advice, but if you were trying to get in between now and 3,800, dollar cost average, because some big sentiment breakout could occur if positive news comes into the space. So what I would personally recommend, and what I'm doing, is if I see it fall right around that 3,800 mark, I'll probably put in some money right then and there. But between now and then, I will personally continue to hold. I'm not too worried, but if the worry does start escalating and I'm saying, maybe it's time to start taking profits and holding down your position or trimming down on your position, I'll make sure to inform everybody what I'm personally doing. If you're a part of the Patreon, I'll be alerting the Patreon members always first, but I will try my best to bring it onto YouTube ASAP after that. So thank you all so much for tuning in. Make sure, again, you're studying what's happening around the market. Pay attention to the news, because right now, the big thing that we're looking forward to is hopefully clearance of this fear, uncertainty, and doubt coming from this bill that is to be passed here in the United States. So again, thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate everybody's love and support. And until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.